Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kamini, Associate Professor in MCA Department from Chandigarh Group of College, Landra, Mohali. So I am going to share about the topic basic search strategies. So what are the basic strategies used for searching on the Google? So I am going to discuss about that. So let's start with the presentation. So how to search on the web? The first step is there are various search engines available nowadays, like we have Google, we have yahoo.com, we have Bing. So when we want to search, we have to first type on the search bar, whatever the topic we want to search, we search with the help of keywords. So we must aware about the searching technique so that we can do the better search on the internet, because it saves our time also. Okay, so let's discuss in detail what are the methodology used for searching on the Google nowadays. So these are the types of search engines which is available in the market, like we have google.com, we have yahoo.com, we have bing.com, we have yandex.com. So these are the popular one search engine around the world. So when we say among them, Google is one of the best search engine and Bing is on the number 2, and we have Yahoo. These all are the dominating search engine market and all used on the daily purpose by most of the people. So as a research conducted by the research department, here Google has the 92.26 share in the research market. After that there is a Bing.com, which is a product of the Microsoft, and it is also having some share. Next we have Baidu is also one of the search engine which has almost 1% share in the Google in the market. Then is a yahoo.com, it has also around 1.7% market share. Then last one is yandex.com, it is also one of the search engine. So Google is the most popular search engine in the market with a stunning of around 92.26 market share as compared to Bing. So Bing has 2.8, then we have Baidu, which has around 1.7% market share. Then yahoo.com has another search engine which has around 2 point something market share. So this is a front page of the Google. So we need to type in the URL. So this is a URL. When we type the address www.google.com, it means the front page of the Google will get open. So we can do the search here. So when you want to perform the search, you will get some list of the website that will match with your search item. For example, I want to search for recipes. So I will type here in this search box. So when I type here, it means I will get a list of the website. So whatever the website I will like, I click on that, I'll get the output according to that. It also can matter whether the search site is according to my choice or not. It happens many of the time. So either I want to search any of the topic, either it is related to Google, it is related to video, audio, or any type of content which I want to search on the Google. So it matters. Sometimes it matters, so it takes too much time, because we are not aware about what kind of searching technique we can use. And most of the students are nowadays confused about. They just type their keywords, but they know about the basic search strategy if you want to search on the Google. So these are the commonly known as search result. So when you type here, suppose I have typed here recipe. So when you see a site, so it looks interesting, so you will open that particular site, and there is a link available to open it. So if the site doesn't have what you need, so you can simply return to the another website, and you can look for the more options. So most of the browser allow you to perform a web search directly from the address bar also. So for example, like here we have the address bar. If you want to search for a recipe, you can type in the URL also. Instead of writing google.com, I can directly write here recipes. So it can do the relevant search according to the keyword. So most of the browser also allow you to perform a web search directly from your address bar, although some have their separate search bar next to the address bar. So if you want to like do the search from the like other options, so other option is also available. Either you can type google.com, yahoo.com as a search engine, or you can type the keyword whatever you want to search, or you can directly put in the address bar, and another separate search option is also available. So simply type your search term and press enter, and it will perform the search. Okay, so this is my Google page, and I'm trying to type from the URL. For example, here in the URL address, I have typed recipes. So it has performed the search. So various options available to me, like recipes, recipe from the ground beef, recipe for the other item also. So it means we can get a result from the Google. So option is available to me. So I just press here. So it means that particular option will be open in the search bar. Search techniques. So what kind of techniques we can use in our research? The first one is how we can refine our search, content specific searches, advertisements, open advanced search menu, which is also available, Google Scholar. So let's discuss one by one. Search suggestion. The first one is search suggestion. For example, I want to search for something, but I don't know about appropriate keywords. So what should I do? So there is no need to worry about the options. So search engine are good enough to finding the things online, but they are not so perfect. So you can try to search for different items. For example, so in the Google search engine, I have typed recipes. So it has provided the option related to the recipes, like recipe for the chicken. So there are multiple options available. So list of option is given to me. So I can click on the appropriate options. It means it will search for that particular items. And the next way is like if you are trouble in thinking about a new research item, so how you can search. Again, we have search suggestion available from the Google. So these are the search suggestions from the Google. So you can select the relevant item and you can perform the search here. How you can refine your search? So we are still having trouble to finding exactly what we need. So how we can refine? So this is a number one methodology used for refining our research. So we can use some special character in the Google. When we want to perform any kind of search, it means we can use some special characters so that we can like do research but in a very short time and with better result. For example, I want to do research, I want to do search, but I want to exclude a word. But how we can do this? So there is an option of the hyphen, or we can say the dash sign or hyphen. So we can put that dash sign at the beginning of the word. So if you want to search for a recipe, cookies. So cookie is a special item in the recipe, but I don't want chocolate cookies. So what should I do? It means I need to refine my search so that I can say my item. Otherwise, I need to look for the various web page. It will take time. It will consume my time. So refining my research, it means with special characters. For example, so here I have typed in the Google recipes. I want to search for the sugar cookies. So I have typed in the inverted comma, but I don't want chocolate flavor. So I will use the sign here. So dash sign is here used in the search engine bar. It means it will search for the item which is related to the sugar cookies, but it excludes the chocolate. So these are the list of the search done by the Google. Sugar cookies recipe, grandma sugar recipes, and other sugar recipes. So we are searching on the web. Content specific search are also available in the Google search engine. So there are many times when you are looking for something like a news articles, or you want to search for videos, you want to search for images, pictures. So most of the search engine have that option at the top of the page which allow to perform the unique search. For example, I have typed in the Google recipe sugar cookies, but what kind of search I want to perform? So I have the option whether I want a website related to this search, or I want some videos, or I want some shopping related websites, okay, or some images, news, items, articles related to these recipes, and some other option is also available. And searching tool is also, I will discuss in detail about the searching tools. And for example, here in this clip I have given the options, but in the next option we have clicked on the images related to the recipes sugar cookies. So all the images related to the sugar cookies is available here in the search engine. So this is called content specific search. So content specific search, you can use inverted comma if you want to perform the search. It will also save your time. Okay, next we can refine the search in a better way by using some advanced tools which is available in Google, but we never use this tool because most of the people are not aware about, they are just typing on the Google and do the search, but we must use this special tool so that we can save our time. Now in the Google I have typed recipes sugar cookies. So I want to use some advanced tools like, so some extra search tool is available. You can just, there is a list of options available, okay, and you can like change as per your type. For example, we have available the size option, we have available the color option. I can choose any color of recipe. So option is here. Even the type, what kind of type is there, whether you want some graphical or drawing kind of content. And time means when it is updated, last update, when there is a click or something is uploaded by the user. And the other option is also available, or if you want to clear the filter, or we can say it is a filter item, or if you want to clear everything, there is an option available at the end which is called as clear. So we can do the filtration as per the choice, like the images we can do the filtration of the size, we can do the colors, image type, and many more is also available. For example, you want to search for cookies, okay, but we have clicked on the images, but we want the cookies of pink color. So what should I do? I have typed in the Google recipe sugar cookie, then the color I have selected. So there are list of color option is available in the color palette. Either you can choose any color, you can choose a full color, or black and white option is also available, because we prepare the recipe which can contain the different colors. Like in cake we have the option, so it means the color variety is also available in the recipes, or even you can search on the base of that. So I have clicked on the pink color, it means it will search as per the color specified or choose by the user. So it has saved my time. Next we have the advertisement options in the Google search engine. Like if I type recipe here, it means I will get some website result, but top of the result are based on the paid advertisement, okay, and the last one is organic pages, okay. So these are this is called as unorganic pages, or basically it is paid ads provided by the Google search engines. So what is the advanced search menu available in the Google? So how to choose this option? Suppose I want to search the population of India, but with the help of advanced search. So what should I do? So I'll click on the tools. When I click on the tools, it means I'll get the option about either you can get the result anytime, means anytime, either it is the last 24 hour or any time when result is updated. Or you can get the result of the past hour, past 24 hour, or past week. It is as per our choice. Okay. So result is uploaded here, or search is performed on the basis of the option selected by me. Suppose I want to get the result, so I have selected here past 24-hour result. Okay, so you just click on anytime there is a drop down option available, click here and you can choose the option as per your choice. So this is called as advanced search. So these are the some other options, or you can say some other images available for the advanced search. For example, I have choose the option of images, not the web, images. Okay, my search keywords are recipe shapes. I want to search the result of the images. Size option is available, what kind of size you want to choose, or the color. So here is the option of the tool, whether you want drawing or clip art. So I have selected the yellow color and clip art option here. So it means recipe shape. So recipe shapes are also available. You can check, we have the shapes available for the pizza, for cartoon shape is also available. Okay, so these are the coconut cookies available, some healthy summer. So these are the based on the shape. Even we can check, we have the samosa shape is also available here. So result means Google is performing the search based on the advanced tools. Size, yellow color, clip art. So result is provided as per the option choose by me. Next search I have performed recipe shape but in orange color, and the tool I have selected is a line drawing. So it is a drawing kind of shapes available, like we can check here, this is a design of the drawing, this is again a design of the drawing. So again it is a refinement in the search. And the next, I have performed the search on the base of time. I want to find the result which is updated in the last 24 hours. So what should I do? So I have typed here recipe, but I have choose advanced tools. In the advanced tool, I have choose the option of time. So I want the result which is updated in the last 24 hours. So I have choose the option here, past 24 hours. So who have updated in the last 24 hours? So I'll get the result according to that. So like we have, this is a website which has performed the result in 19 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 21. It means it is updated within the last 24 hours. So I'm getting the result of the recipe, but which is updated in the last 24 hours. As we are doing the search, so we are working on the research paper, research article, or the student who are doing MTech, thesis or PhD. So they can use Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is also one of the best search engine to find the academic journal, peer-reviewed journal, articles as per your choice of the topic. Suppose you are like doing your PhD on the digital marketing or networking, cloud computing, big data or blockchain, any of the topic. So you can use this search engine if you want to search for some reviewed articles or some academic articles, any kind of published paper. So these are the articles that you would not be find in the typical Google search. Okay, so it is different from the normal Google search. So Google Scholar is also a search engine, but it is used by the research scholars. Find a user on social media. So we can use some shortcut if you want to find a user in the social media. So what kind of shortcuts are available? So if you want to search for a username on the social media, so we have various social media available nowadays, like we have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Instagram. So how you can find the user? So if you want to find a specific user, you want the name, but you want to like perform a search in a short time. So what should I do? So you can place this sign in the front of the name and you can perform the search. So it will find the search as per the name. Search social media. In the Google, if you want to search any kind of social media, so what kind of symbol you can use? @ sign, Twitter. So it will search for a specific item which is related to the Twitter. Search using your voice. So this is a better option available in the Google. You are tired of typing. Now you want to search with your voice. So you can say, okay Google, or you can perform the search. For example, I want to find a Google map from Chandigarh to Delhi. So I'll say, okay Google, find a Google map from Chandigarh to Delhi. So it will perform the search based on my voice. Or you can select the microphone if you want to do the audio search. So this option is also available. So as a technological user, we use this option because we use some mobile phone, we use the laptop or other media of the communication. So this also saves our time. Search for a price. For example, you want to search for a particular item which has some amount or some amount which is related to Canadian dollar, USD dollar or Indian currency you want to find. So you can put the item like this. Camera, I want to search for an item of camera, $400. It means it will look for camera which has the price within this range. So it also has refined my search. That's all about my presentation.